Today in my menu, I have taken a very simple, unique and a very tasty and a healthy sweet dish, Makhana Kheer. This is a high protein, high fiber food where you can make a very unique sweet dish, especially for Navratri or Varalakshmi Nonbu. Let's see what are the ingredients that are required and get into the video. I'm Sundar. Welcome to Recipe Checkout. Today I've taken 1 liter of milk and then about 2 cups of makhana, which is nothing but 50 grams. Plus I've taken about 1.5 cups of sugar, about 175 grams, because I'm using 1 tablespoon of milk maid. If you don't want to use milk maid, that's okay. You can increase the sugar a little bit. Plus I've taken some almonds and pistachios and an optional saffron. If you still don't want to use saffron, you can use edible camphor. Plus I've taken some powdered cardamom. Let's get started by boiling the milk and start the process. So we've taken 1 liter of milk and we need to boil it, then only we're adding the other ingredients. So the milk is about to boil now. So once it's getting boiled, now we're going to add the sugar. You have to add milk maid, either 1 tablespoon or 2 to 3 teaspoons. So as soon as you add milk maid, it's very important you need to stir it properly. Milk maid is optional, so if you want to add condensed milk, you can reduce the sugar. We've taken only the sugar, which is about 175 grams, which is with the milk maid recipe. So now we're going to add the makhana, which has been coarsely powdered, and then we're going to add it. So the ghee is just got thicker and it's almost there on the consistency. Now I'm going to add the flavors to it. So I'm going to add a pinch of powdered cardamom. So we're going to add the saffron, which is already soaked in a hot milk, and add some sliced or chopped pistachios and almonds. While the dish is getting ready, let's look at some of the health benefits of makhana. It's called the lotus seed. It is a high protein, high antioxidant and high fiber, fantastic ingredients. You can make interesting savories and sweets with that, and is a perfect alternative for popcorns where kids love it. So basically you need to interestingly looking at how we can make these ingredients interestingly for kids so that you provide them interesting eating as well as healthy eating. So now an interesting sweet, a simple, unique and healthy sweet is ready for your upcoming Varalakshmi Nonbu or Navratri. And definitely you should try this, and then please leave us a comment how it have tasted to you. I'll meet you in another dish with an interesting, simple and a healthy ingredient. Enjoy your cooking.